What's up, Brian Tong here, and welcome to the Apple Bits for everything good and bad inside the world of Apple. I just wanted to jump on here with a quick one because the story recently dropped and, we had to say something about it. Now, according to 9 to 5 Mac and Boy Genius Report, they both report Apple has considered the name iPhone XS Max for the larger 6.5-inch version, and the iPhone XS Max will likely be the official name for it. Really? The iPhone XS Max? Who's gonna present that on stage with a straight face? Really? Let's be real. That's not gonna stop anyone from buying it. I know it won't, but I'm just waiting now for next year's iPhone XS Super Saiyan Turbo HD Remix Deluxe Max Edition, because we're getting there. And Apple, if you're actually using Max in your product naming, does that mean you could potentially lead you down this road to releasing an actual Max iPad? That was supposed to be a joke when I said it years ago. Now, Bloomberg reported earlier that Apple considered dropping the Plus name from this year's larger version, but who would have thought they might be trading it for the word Max? And no, I'm really trying not to make this a rip fest, but that name, if it's the name, and I hope it's not, I love y'all Apple, but it's time to go back to the drawing board, because Rick Federighi and Phil Schiller, they were in a room laughing and going back and forth and saying, this is the best iPhone we've ever made. Yeah, it's groovy to the max. Yeah, let's call it the iPhone XS Max. Totally, dude. iPhone to the max. At that rate, they might have even considered extreme during that meeting. So that's probably how it came to be. But the iPhone XS Max? I guess we have to get used to it. All they had to do was keep it simple and call it the Pro. And maybe they'll change it after watching this, because they absolutely should. Now, German site Mackerkopf has shared details on potential European pricing for the 2018 iPhone lineup. Their sources say that translates to the same price for the current iPhone 8, 8 Plus, and iPhone X at $699, $799, and $999 in US dollars. So, guess what? We won't have to wait much longer, because we're getting the official word from Apple on September the 12th, and you know it. I'll have BTZ's live coverage of the Apple iPhone XS, XS Max, the Apple Watch Series 4, the AirPower Mat. We're going to be taking your live calls. We got our big bingo card. It's all presented by my good friends from TCL. And I'm just going to tell you right now, we're going to have some epic giveaways. Can you say TVs? Oh, yeah. So follow my Twitter at Brian Tong, and there'll be more details to come. And if you're subscribed here and you have that notifications bell, you'll get all the live stream info right here as well. Plus, if you like audio podcasts, you can get updates and the latest stories with my Apple Bits XL audio podcast. It's available everywhere, and you can support that show and all my content at Patreon. That's patreon.com/Brian Tong. Thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you next time for all the bits and bytes inside the world of Apple. Yeah, iPhone XS Max. Ugh.